this cool. This is my mom at the time. You read this to me, please?
Is that you made that birthday card for Mommy?
Uh-huh.
Are you all done reading it?
You read it to me?
Happy birthday, Mommy. I love you. Love, Lily. Okay, read. No, you read that one.
No, you read it.
Is this one for who? Your daddy?
Uh-huh.
And what does it say?
Dear Daddy.
Dear Daddy. Happy birthday?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Lil. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Lil. Thank you.
Hey, my
Your super, super crayon?
uh-huh.
Thank you for my birthday card. I love you.
Okay, let me write something.